Hello, my name is Pedro Garcia, and today I'm going to talk about a typical week in my life. On weekdays, I usually get up early in the morning. I get up around 6 a.m., get dressed, and have breakfast at home. After that, I go to work. I work at Calita as a sales executive. So during the morning and afternoon, I usually take to clients, make sales, and help people with information about the service at noon. I have lunch. Sometimes I work. Sometimes near my office. In the afternoon, I continue working until the evening. After work, I go back home in the evening. I usually have dinner with my family and relaxing. At night, I sometimes watch TV or use my phone, and then I go to the bed. On the weekends, my routine is different. I don't get up early. I usually relax more and enjoy my free time. Sometimes I play table tennis and also like going to the casino for entertainment. I usually spend time with my family or friends and relax at home. In general, my week is bossy, but I like my routine because I help me people. No more. Thank you for listening.